everybody, I'm Meryl and I'm here with Sarah. We're from Make a Tea Online and we're going to talk to you today about Gildan's brand new plasma print t-shirts. We're going to talk about the good, the questionable, the bad. It's going to end up being all good. First, as any printer usually does, because we've been doing this for so long, we automatically assume that we know what to do. We got the box, we got the samples in, and let me backtrack and say this is specifically for direct-to-garment printing. So the purpose of it is to use less pre-treat, which actually will take away the dilemma of having a background that's a little bit stiff, maybe a little bit longer to dry, and the issues that people have with the background of the pre-treat. So we tried it fresh out of the box without anything, without looking at the instructions or how-tos or anything, and we were not real happy with the way it came out. Okay, we fixed that. What we compared it to was our sample, which what I'm wearing, and this one right here, same color, same shirt, same Gildan G5000 shirt. This I think is more of a soft style shirt, and the color was not correct for our specifications, for our needs, for what we're used to. On the white shirt, it looks amazing. This was fresh out of the box, no pre-treat. The colors are just vibrant. We used the Brother GTX Pro, which we find has amazing color, and this one is an A+. This one is a thumbs up for us. Right, Sarah?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Then we tried pressing it before we printed it with, again, no pre-treat, and we were still unhappy with the results. Is it okay? Not for us. Maybe for some people, but not for us. So this was a thumbs down. Then we tried a moderate pre-treat, and it came out a little bit better, but you can see the fibers in the back of the white coming out, and it was still not up to our standards. You may not be able to see very well in the video, but for our standards, this was still, even though the color was bright, this was still a thumbs down for us. Now we tried a light pre-treat, and this one came out a little bit better, but still not perfect for us. We still preferred a regular good old-fashioned pre-treat. Then we followed the instructions, and boy, was it a big difference. This is definitely going to be thumbs up. So we mixed the pre-treat with half and half distilled water, half pre-treat, using the Brother pre-treat on the Brother GTX Pro. The colors came out just as vibrant as our control, the one I'm wearing also, and this is after a wash. We had a little bit of pre-treat over here, which actually washed out in the wash. This is already washed. I should have probably done one before we washed it, but it was just as vibrant before we washed it. The color did not change. This is definitely, Sarah and I give this a thumbs up. And then here it is on the light blue, the baby blue. And again, another thumbs up to Gildan, thumbs up for this t-shirt. Follow the directions. Don't think you all know everything, but follow the directions and you will be extremely happy with this plasma print t-shirt.